Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem when the Arlo app can't discover your base station during installation. These are the fastest and most effective fixes. Let's jump right in. If Arlo was unable to locate your Arlo base station, follow these steps. 1. Unplug the power adapter of your base station and make sure the Ethernet cable is connected. 2. Begin the installation process again, but make sure you connect the base station to your router before you power on the base station. 3. If Arlo still cannot discover the base station, check the color of the Internet LED on the base station. If the Internet LED is solid or blinking green, the base station is connected to the Internet. If the Internet LED is solid amber, there is a network connection problem. Make sure the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into the base station. If the Internet LED is off, the base station is not connecting to the router. 4. Factory reset the device. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the base station for 10 seconds using a paperclip or pen until the LEDs blink amber. Once the LED light stops blinking, the base station reboots and the device is removed from the Arlo account. 5. If you completed these troubleshooting steps and Arlo was unable to discover your base station, contact Arlo support to speak to an expert. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.